Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first clothing DIY that I'm doing, so bear with me. I will be distressing this old Michael Myers shirt I have. It was actually my son's shirt and I've been eyeballing it ever since I bought it for him, and he's finally grown out of it, so I'm making it mine. So I'm starting by cutting off the seams from the sleeves and the bottom of the shirt, making sure to stretch out the fabric after I cut the seams off. This helps disguise any imperfections in your cut and just makes it look a little bit nicer. Alright, so I'm turning this t-shirt into a cold shoulder t-shirt. They're one of my favorite designs for a shirt. I don't like wearing tank tops, but I do like to expose a little bit of my shoulder, so this is like the perfect compromise. So here I'm cutting out the triangular sections in the shoulders to get the cold shoulder effect. If you want things to be perfect and even, you can measure and whatnot, but I don't mind the more distressed look, so I'm just eyeballing everything. I would like to add that I did go in and clean up my cuts a bit after I was done making all of my cuts. Now I'm going in and cutting the triangle in the front of my shirt. You can make this as low or as high up as you would like, and you can also measure if you would like it to be a perfect triangle. However, again, I am just eyeballing all of my cuts. And here I made a last minute decision to cut some slits in the sleeves. I just wanted to add a little something extra to this shirt. And here's the finished product. I really like the way this came out. As you can see, some of the slits and edges are a little rough, but this should be taken care of after I throw it in the washer and dryer. I hope I inspired you to make something out of an old t-shirt you have, or just gave you some inspiration in general. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you're notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later. See you next time.